Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check him out. We are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin was playing inside this rising channel, and on 4th of November with this big green candle, Bitcoin actually broke above of this rising channel and went back with, I think, about a 10% drop. If I showing it to you, about the 10% drop, came back. Bitcoin actually did test the upper line of this rising channel and bounced up back again. And as you can see in here, what we have in here, actually the green candle is above the 50% of this red candle. This is a bullish piercing candle. As you can see, if the green candle is go back up, actually more than 50% of the red candle is the bullish piercing candle, and we might going to see actually Bitcoin is going to bounce up again and push the price further to the upside. But what do we need as a confirmation? Actually, we need to have see another green candle about this area. I think if Bitcoin close a green candle on the daily time frame above the 15,750, that's going to be a really bullish sign for Bitcoin. What we have got in here, actually we have got two white line. If I go on the weekly time frame, what do we have actually in here? We have got two white trend line. They all could be a really good resistance for Bitcoin. First of them, the first one actually is about $16,400, and if Bitcoin continue to go up, actually the second one I think is going to be around the $19,000 area. They could work as a really good resistance for Bitcoin, and maybe we are going to see a fallback from this area or from this area, which both of them could happen. And if I show you my other chart, let me just show you this chart as well. We are on the weekly. Let's go back on the daily time frame. What we can see in here, the trend line, the purple trend line, was working as a really good resistance for Bitcoin. Now is working as a support. Bitcoin broke above this resistance as well and came back to test it. Maybe we are going to see Bitcoin fall down actually to about this area with this white arrow and bounce to the upside again to go to about $17,000. Or if Bitcoin break this purple line to the downside, we are going to see a huge fall from Bitcoin to about $12,200. The thing is, at the moment we have got the 161% of the Fibonacci extension about the $15,800, and we have got a 200% Fibonacci extension actually is about $17,000. If I show it to you, the Fibonacci extension is going to about the low of here to the high to the low of here. As you can see, what do we have in here? We have got the 161% of the Fibonacci extension is about this area, and 200% is about this area. Both of them could work as a really good resistance for Bitcoin. And if I show you my other chart, actually, we are on the daily time frame. Bitcoin is playing between this like yellow lines, actually yellow trend lines. Actually, this one was working really good as a resistance for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin came back. We can see Bitcoin was going back to test this trend line. If Bitcoin can break above of this yellow trend line, actually the next one is going to be if Bitcoin bounce back again to the upside and go up. I think this one is going to work as a really good resistance, which is about the $17,500 area for Bitcoin. After that, maybe we are going to see a fall back this one, but those trend lines actually working really good for me on Bitcoin at the moment. And if I go to other chart, I'm going to show you something else. I think I need to go on the weekly time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin, if we get to the body of the candles on the weekly time frame, as you can see, Bitcoin actually is playing inside this rising channel, and the top of this channel actually is about $16,200 area, and maybe we are going to see a fallback from Bitcoin about this area to the middle of this channel, which is that likely, because if you see on the chart actually what we have got in here, we had a really great trend line as a resistance. The top of that was about the 2019, the toppest price of Bitcoin actually, and the the $12,400 area. And actually Bitcoin came back from this area and pushed to the upside again and broke above of this purple line. But if Bitcoin is going to come back actually to this area, the middle line of this area and the crossing the purple line actually is a really good support for Bitcoin, which is about the $11,900 area. If Bitcoin actually come back to this area, I'm expecting a huge support from Bitcoin about $11,900. If we go on the daily time frame, the other coin I'm going to show you is Ethereum. Just let's check the Ethereum. Ethereum did really good as well, as I was expecting that one to happen. Actually Ethereum was playing inside this rising channel, looks like Bitcoin, and Ethereum broke above of this channel. Actually, if you see in here, Ethereum broke above of this channel and came back to test the upper line of the channel. Is same as Bitcoin. Actually what Ethereum did is too similar to what Bitcoin did just about I think 2 days ago. And now what we can see, Ethereum is actually bouncing above the 23% of the Fibonacci retracement, and now this line, this area which is about $442 is really working as a good support for Ethereum at the moment. And if we check on the RSI, actually Ethereum has got a huge space to move to the upside. If you see, the RSI is only 66, and I think Ethereum has got a really huge space to move to the upside. And if it happen, I think the $500 is so easy for Ethereum. Even more than that, I think Ethereum could easily go to $520. And if I check in here, let me just, so yeah, the next resistance we have got on Ethereum is actually about the $660, the huge resistance for Ethereum. I think if Ethereum push to the upside and break above the previous high, which is about the $489, I think after that Ethereum has got a huge space to go further to the upside to about the $660. The other thing I'm going to show is actually the Fear and Greed index. Is totally greedy at the moment. Be careful with your positions, because the cryptocurrency is too greedy at the moment, and it's over 90. Yeah, it's over 90 at the moment. The other thing I'm going to show you is actually this news: Biden expected to hire crypto miner Gary Gensler as financial advisor. It is going to be a really huge news about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, and I think Wall Street is going to step into the cryptocurrency as well, and that's going to be a really huge news for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency for even I think the 2021. Be careful with your position. I think there is a massive run on 2021 for cryptocurrency. Be careful with your position. If you have that was all from me for today. If you have found the video helpful, actually please leave a like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.